Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos, and of course I'm looking at Vechain today. I haven't posted in a few days, but now I've got more to talk about. So what's happened now? I'm starting on the weekly time frame, by the way. Sometimes you just need to zoom out, keep it simple, and look at certain levels and more significant levels, because when you're on a higher time frame, things are more significant because each candle is 1 week, basically 1 week's worth of information in every candle. And for Vechain, we can see here that it did kind of look like a double bottom here. I mean, it really did, one bottom, two bottom. Now we have lost this area at 0.044 cent. It is a key area on the weekly time frame. We can see here support, touch of support with that wick, loads of touches of support here. And now we've broken under. We have had a wick up, but I don't believe that is going to be strong enough to push us back over this area. I feel like we're having that push up with that wick now because we're overextended from our moving averages. So as they're coming down, we're going up slightly, but I do feel like we are going to drop slightly further because I do believe that Bitcoin could also drop further, and whatever Bitcoin does, the other coins tend to follow. I don't think we're going to be going into any sort of bear market soon. I think we're going to be coming lower, as long as I think we could come down to these here as 0.022 cent. And I know that sounds scary and I know that doesn't sound great, but then once we hit that low, wherever that may be, we're going to start seeing some sideways movements. And when we see that sideways movements, that shows to me that, okay, we're getting ready for the big boy. Because look here in the past, even you can see here that we had sideways movements for so long and then a huge dip. And that is going to make everyone think, oh my God, like this dip here ruined, huge red candle all the way to 0.0013 cent. Everyone's thinking it's over, it's not going to go any further. Had a huge wick, indecision candle, some greens here, and then all of a sudden, boom, had that huge push. And now if we come back over here, if we do drop further, we could be looking at making some sort of weekly candle like this with a massive wick to scare everyone into thinking, right, bear market, we're done, we're over, and then we're going to have that push up and this is what we're going to get after, it's going to all be worth it. Anyway, so that's just what I wanted to show you on the weekly time frame. I'm going to head into the daily time frame now and add our fibs and stuff on. Okay, a bit zoomed out there, let's get that a little bit better. Cool, so I'm going to start off just by simply adding our fibs that we've been adding on for a long time now. So swing low to swing high, accurately there. And I said if we lose the 1, we're heading to the 1618. We know this. And we have lost that 1 now. As I've said, we may be just having this green candle now just to let our moving averages come down, testing them as resistance to then head to that level. And I said we could be going to 0.022 cent. That's just what the chart is showing me. Obviously, we never have to go that low, but the 1618 here lines up with 0.028 cents. So we could come down to that level, and that's where we're going to find our bottom and start sideways moving to eventually have that bear market scare and then absolutely reverse, killing everyone's sell orders, because obviously everyone's thinking, oh my God, we're done, we're finished, and just fly up, and that is when we're going to make the money. But obviously you have to wait for these things to happen. It's not a get rich quick overnight, guys. Unfortunately, no one got rich quick in this. It's all about resilience and persistence, basically. Anyway, so yeah, so you can see here we're still in our parallel descending channel. So once we have broken out of this, then we are going to be coming back up to this target up here at 0.088 cent. But for now we are in this, and I did say the other day we were here, and I was correct about my ascending triangle, but that was just a short term. And I did say when we hit our ascending triangle target, we're either going to find resistance and continue down or break out of it. And what we did is we found resistance and we came down. And our support line is still holding us up here. So we're still in this now. So even if we come all the way down to here and hit our 1618 target, we're still going to be in our bullish pattern. Obviously then, even if we broke out of it then, we're probably going to see a lot of sideways movements, a lot of consolidation for a few months, getting ready for that massive down wick to the downside and up. And we're going to go up, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we've found that support here. We're probably going to find resistance at this weekly support line here, and then we're going to come back down, tumble down until Bitcoin decides to stop as well. And we can see, obviously there's always a possibility to get back above this, getting back above our 20 moving average, 786, coming back to the 0.618 and the 5, but I don't think that's going to be happening right now. I do think we're still going to be heading down, but it's definitely not Definitely not the be all and end all, guys, so don't need to overly panic whatsoever. As long as we're not losing those lows on the weekly time frame that I showed you, we will be okay. And you can just see a bit more clearly here that when we did hit our support, we had that perfect resistance here. Obviously I say perfect, it's never perfect when we find resistance, but you can see us respected it is what I'm trying to say. And then come back down, lost that, went down to find support again. So I do feel like we're just doing exactly what we did here, coming up for continuation down, because we've found resistance at our 20 moving average as well. More confluence that we're going to roll over again and come back down to find support here. And that is pretty much it, guys. If I must be honest, I can do a little smaller fib just from this to here. Yeah, you can see here we found our 1618, and then that is actually why now we've had that pull up, because we hit our overall target, had a pull up. Now we're going to come back down for continuation to the downside for now. But that's just in my opinion, guys. I hope I'm wrong, but then again, at the moment I have been right, so we'll just see what happens, but I hope I'm wrong, so we do go up. But that's just what I'm seeing on the chart. So just want to say thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel. We're like 3 or 4 subscribers away from 300, so definitely click that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Bye.